All right, so you just enrolled at SDI, or you're planning on enrolling at SDI. What do you have to look forward to? In today's video, we're going to be unboxing a kit that you'll receive from one of your first courses that'll be shipped directly to your house. In this kit, you will receive a modern Spartan's cleaning system, which includes their accuracy oil and their cleaning solution, as well as the Cleaning Firearms Lab textbook, and a full cleaning kit from OTIS Cleaning Solutions. This is a full setup. It comes with a nice padded case that you can take into the field with you. Everything you need to clean a firearm is in here. So on this side, you have all your brass brushes from 22 caliber up to 12 gauge shotgun. In this kit right here, you have a little field kit with bigger loops, a shotgun brass or bronze brush. These are like jags that you could put on the looped ends so that you can clean the smooth bore or your bigger shotgun bores. And then on this side you have a flag, a chamber flag. You have different bronze brushes in here. So this is just one that you would carry out in the field with you, put on your belt or whatever, in case you need to clean your firearm out in the field. All right, let's look at some of these smaller pieces. Okay, in one of these brass brushes that I was talking about, this one, for example, is the 22. You'll notice it comes in a nice hard case, which is really nice because usually what you have is these brass brushes or bronze brushes just rolling around in your kit, and the bristles get all worn down before you even put it through your bore. So this keeps them nice and sharp. And so you would just pull out this rubber stopper, and then you would just unscrew this brush from the base. And then inside this kit, you also have your cables. So this system is a little bit different than your normal cleaning kit that just has a rod. You always want to clean from the breech to the muzzle, but you can use this cable and pull it through, and it just makes a nice compact system. So in both ends you'll have a threaded end on both sides, and then you have your threaded tip for the brush. You just simply screw that in, and you can use this side that you didn't have the brush on, feed that through the breech, and then you would just pull your cable through and keep doing that. Repeat the process until you feel like you've scrubbed it enough to break up the carbon. And in this kit we also have patches, which is a proprietary design for OTIS. On their patches, it's not just your t-shirt or your normal your old cotton t-shirt or your normal cotton patches. These actually have little slits cut in them. You put your looped end through one of these slits, and you pinch one side and feed it through the other, through that looped end, and then pull that tight. And what that does is it wads up the cloth, so it'll scrub all the way through your bore, through the grooves and the lands. It'll get everything in there wet with solvent. So the cleaning process that I like to use is I would get this wet with solvent first, pass it through a couple times through the bore, then I would get my brush, and then I would run that through the bore. Again, come back with a clean patch, get it wet with solvent again, run that through, get the carbon out, and then come back through with a dry patch, run that through, and clean it the rest of the way. Looking at a couple more of these smaller pieces that we have, you have different accessories, different attachments. You have a little short brass rod that comes apart in sections. And then different accessories. You'll see here you have your brush end. You'll have a normal utility like toothbrush, nylon brush that has hard bristles to get that caked on carbon off of there. You have a little detail pick. This is really nice for areas like the fire pin hole. You'll see right here. And you can get into here into the fire pin hole and scrub out any carbon that you see. You also have a carbon scraper, and all of these can be attached to the rod, but you have a carbon scraper where you can scrape your carbon off, and this comes in really handy for the AR systems. And then other little scrapers, other little detail picks will come in that kit as well. This is just a glimpse of one of the many courses that we offer at SDI. If you're interested in learning more, then visit us at sdi.edu. At SDI, we offer 2 programs. We offer a certificate program as well as an associate's degree. We look forward to seeing you at SDI, and welcome to the family.